Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type iOS Launcher. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now select while using the app and tap on Allow. Then choose Home button. Now you need to click on iOS Launcher, choose Always and tap on Got It. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!